Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Michael Schumacher, one of the top-ranked and most famous racing car drivers in the world. Michael Schumacher comes from Germany. His nickname is Schumi. He was born on the 3rd of January in 1969. Michael is tall, practically 2 meters. He is rather thin and well-built, with short fair hair. Many women find him attractive. He raced for Ferrari. His hobbies are tennis and football. Unfortunately, in 2013 he was badly injured in a skiing accident, and since then he has been bedridden. Let's summarize all the information we have learnt today. The fact file. Name: Michael. Surname: Schumacher. Nickname: Schumi. Occupation: racing car driver. Nationality: German. Born: 3rd of January 1969. Team: Ferrari. Hobbies: football, tennis. Personal details: tall, thin, short fair hair. A fact file. What is it? A fact file is a collection of facts about a certain person or thing. How do we write a fact file about a person? There are 5 steps for writing a fact file about a person. 1. Name. 2. DOB, or date of birth. 3. Country of origin, or nationality. 4. Occupation. 5. Interesting facts. Now let's take a look at another fact file. Have you ever heard of Kimi Räikkönen? This is his fact file. Name: Kimi. Surname: Räikkönen. Nickname: Iceman. Occupation: racing car driver. Nationality: Finnish. Born: 17th of October 1979. Personal details: short blonde hair. Hobbies: snowboarding, jogging, ice hockey. Current team: McLaren Mercedes. Let's learn how to ask and answer questions about a person using the fact file. What's his name? His name is Kimi. What's his surname? His surname is Räikkönen. What's his nickname? His nickname is Iceman. What does he do? He is a racing car driver. When is his birthday? He was born on the 17th of October. Where does he come from? He is from Finland. What does he look like? He has short, blonde hair. What are his hobbies? He is fond of snowboarding, jogging, and ice hockey. What team does he race for? He races for McLaren Mercedes. So, let's repeat all the questions. What is his name? What is his surname? What is his nickname? What does he do? When is his birthday? Where does he come from? What does he look like? What are his hobbies? What team does he race for? Well done! Today we have learnt how to make up a fact file, how to work with it, how to ask and answer questions using the fact files. See you next time.